and today we'll make mango sticky rice. I'm gonna make two colors of sticky rice today, white and black color. Let's get started. We're gonna soak the rice first. Add 1 cup of sticky rice, then add water to soak it. When you are looking for the rice, look at the package. It says sweet rice. It doesn't mean that we add sugar in it. But the sticky rice there are a lot of sugar than other rice. Okay, I'm gonna do the black one. Add half cup of white one and half cup of black one. Black sticky rice is the same kind as the white one, but it isn't sticky much, so we have to mix with the white sticky rice so that it can stick together better. Then leave them overnight or at least 3 to 4 hours. After soaked it, you're gonna see the water look cloudy, so we're gonna wash it until the water look clear. Like this, that's what we're looking for. I washed it about 7 times. Next, we're gonna do the black one, the same thing. Okay, to steaming the rice, I have 2 ways to show you today. First, I'm gonna do a bamboo steamer to steam. Before putting the rice in, we need to spray with the water, so the rice doesn't stick to it. Okay, put the rice in, then spread it evenly. To cook it, I'm gonna add about 1 centimeter of the water in the pot. When you put the steamer, make sure the water is the center of the bottom of the steamer. Don't let the water cover the bottom. Put the bucket in, then cook about 7 to 10 minutes. The second way, I'm gonna use the regular steamer. Put the cheesecloth in, add the rice, spread it evenly. That's it, then cook about 7 to 10 minutes. On over medium heat. As the rice is cooking, I'm gonna do the coconut syrup. Add 300 of coconut milk, half cup of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Cook on over low heat. Stir until the sugar is dissolved. Then you're done. Set it aside. We're gonna back to the rice. Turn it over. Then cook more 3 minutes. I just want to cook a little bit more the top of the rice. After it's done, put in a bowl, add a half of coconut syrup in, mix well, wrap it, then set it aside about 30 minutes. Okay, we're gonna do the white one the same way. Add the other half of the coconut syrup in, mix well, then leave it about 30 minutes. Alright, after 30 minutes, turn it over, then leave it more 20 to 25 minutes. Do another one the same thing. Alright, I'm gonna make the coconut sauce. Add 150 ml of coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of rice flour. As we are adding ingredients, do not turn on the heat. Then combine everything together. After combine very well, turn the heat on. Then stir until it thickens. My sauce pretty thicken. If you don't like, you can cut down the rice flour. Alright, we're gonna slice the mango. I'm gonna make the beautiful flower, so I need to slice in the mango. Alright, this is the rice after we leave it for a while. Next, we're gonna make the beautiful flower. I'm gonna add the white rice first, and add the black one on top of the white. Alright, add the mango on top of the rice. Sprinkle with the roasted yellow mung bean. If you don't like the mung bean, you can also use the toasted sesame instead. Oh wow, this is my beautiful mango flower. Okay, I hope you like my video. Now we're gonna taste it. It's so beautiful. I don't want to break my beautiful flower. Okay, I'm gonna pour the sauce, the coconut sauce. Okay, the sticky rice are different texture. The white one is soft, but the black one is crunchy. My mango today is so sweet and my sauce is delicious and creamy. Okay, I hope you like my recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.